What are orphan works in copyright and why are they a challenge? Imagine finding a beautiful photograph or a fascinating book in an archive, but you can't find the person who owns the rights. That's what we call an orphan work. These are copyrighted works where the owner cannot be identified or found, even after making a sincere effort. Despite not knowing who owns the rights, you still need permission to use these works legally. That's where the problem begins. Copyright law protects these works for a long time, often for the life of the creator plus 70 years. This means many orphan works stay protected for decades, even if the original owner has disappeared or passed away. The challenge is that without knowing who owns the rights, it's hard to get permission or a license to use the work. This makes it tricky for libraries, museums, and educators who want to share or digitize old materials. They risk legal trouble if they use orphan works without proper clearance. The situation gets more complicated because copyright protection has increased over time. Laws now protect works from the moment they are created and for many years afterward. When companies that once held rights go out of business or lose their records, ownership details can be lost forever. Legislators have suggested ways to fix this problem, like creating registries to track orphan works or giving users some legal protection if they do a good search for the owner. But so far, no law has fully addressed these issues in the United States. Until then, people and organizations must weigh the risks of copyright infringement against the benefits of using these works. Sometimes they relying on exceptions like fair use, which allows limited use without permission, but this is not always clear-cut. In short, orphan works are copyrighted materials with no known owner, making it hard to get legal permission to use them. This problem exists because copyright terms are long and ownership records are often incomplete or lost. As a result, the process of registering your copyright and securing rights becomes more complicated when dealing with orphan works. They are a challenge because they limit access to potentially valuable creative content and create legal uncertainties for those who want to share or preserve cultural works.